What's up, it's Ben. I'm just doing a bike check on my Fit BF2. I'm gonna start at the top now. I got my stock handlebars, just BF2 Fit. They're 8.5 and 30 wide. 28 to 30, I'm not quite sure. Yeah. Stock stem, I'm pretty sure it's missing a bolt right there. So I'm gonna take that back to the shop. I got ODI long necks in aqua blue. Pretty sick. Nice and soft. Stock forks. And I don't know if this is a stock tire or just a normal fit tire. So leave a comment to see if any of you guys have this bike and know what tire it is. And it's just a stock hub. And I got Revenge Industry rims. Pretty good rims, nice and durable. And just stock spokes. And to the seat, I got a leather fit seat. It's rail seat. I don't really like it. And I don't know what kind of seat clamp it is. If you can see this symbol right here and tell me what it is.
That kind of looks like a premium symbol, but I don't know.
I don't really know. No, premium is
I don't know.
We don't really know. And down to the sprocket, I got 25 teeth fit sprocket. Profile cranks, really durable, and S&M 1-in-1 pedals, 101 pedals. They're metal pedals. I don't really like them because they're metal. And I got some orange snafu pedals that I'm gonna put on. To the back, I got just another Fit. I don't know what tire it is. Another Revenge Industries, and a stock hub, and it's pretty sick. It's got a 6-pound to it. Oh yeah, you should nurse me. Oh, swag, you're wicked. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Yeah, this bike's roughly. Ooh, get out of the way. It's roughly around
25 pounds.
25 pounds, 24, 25, I think. I got this at my local bike store, and I'm ordering some parts, I think next summer. Yeah, so check out our channel, The Above Lads.
Please like, subscribe, favorite, and yeah.
Back a little back.
Peace. Have a great day.